Hello everyone, in this video we will study the rules of logic gates. Now these rules helps in simplifying the complex Boolean expression and reducing the number of gates required. So we will start with the first rule, the rule number 1, which says means the variable odd with 0 is equal to that variable. Suppose my variable is 1, and if I am ORing it with 0, then I am going to get 1. Now suppose my variable is 0, and if I am ORing it with 0, then I am going to get the same variable, that is 0. In terms of logic gate, it can be expressed as, this is my OR gate, here is my variable, and I am ORing it with 0. So the result is going to be the variable, same variable. Again, if I have the variable as 0 and I am ORing it with 0, then the result obtained is going to be 0. Next we will see the rule number 2. The rule 2 says a plus 1 is equal to 1. That is, the variable which is odd means added with 1, is always equal to 1. By this I mean, if there is 1 on input, then I will get the output as 1 regardless of the other input. Let's see in terms of logic gate. Here's my OR gate, and I am having the variable as 1 and I am ORing it with 1, then the output is going to be 1 irrespective of the other input. Again, take the variable. This time I will take the variable as 0, but I have to OR it with 1, so at the output I am going to get 1. This was the rule number 2. So the rule 3 says that a dot 0 is equal to 0. That is, the variable ANDed means taken product of, with 0 is always equal to 0. Okay, if one input is 0, then the output is going to be 0. This is my AND gate, and I am taking the input as 1 and I am ANDing it with 0. Then the output obtained is going to be 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. Again I am taking an AND gate, and this time the variable will have value 0 and the other input is also 0. So 0 into 0 is going to be 0, and that's why the output is going to be 0. This is rule number 3. Now we will see rule 4 of logic gate. The rule 4 says that a into 1 is equal to a. That is, the variable ANDed with 1 equals to that same variable. This is my AND gate, and this is my variable. Take variable as 0 and I am going to AND it with 1. See, this is the variable, and here I have to AND it with 1. So the output obtained is going to be the same variable. So 1 into 0 is going to be 0. The variable was 0 and the output is also 0. In the next case, take the AND gate, put the variable to be 1 and AND it with 1. So the output obtained is 1 into 1, that is 1. variable was also 1, output was also 1. This is rule number 4. Now we will see the rule number 5. This rule says a plus a is equal to a. Now all these rules are very important for simplifying Boolean expressions. So if a plus a is equal to a, by which I mean the variable which is odd with itself is always equal to that variable. Suppose a is equal to 0 and the variable is getting odd with itself, that is we are adding the variable with itself, then I am going to get the same variable, that is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. The variable is 1 and I am ORing it with itself, that is 1 into 1, so the output is again going to be 1. In terms of logic gate, here is my OR gate. The variable which is odd with itself and the output obtained is 0 plus 0, that is 0. In the next case, again we will take the OR gate. The variable is 1, we will OR it with itself, that is 1, so 1 plus 1 is going to be 1 and the output obtained is the same variable. Okay, so this was the rule number 5. Moving ahead, we will see rule 6 of the logic gate. The rule 6 says a plus a bar is equal to 1. That means the variable which is odd with its complement is equal to 1. If the variable value is 0 and we are going to OR the variable with its complement, the complement of 0 is 1, then we are going to get the output as 1. Similarly, if the variable value is 1 and we are going to OR it with its complement, that is 1, and the complement of 1 is 0, so 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. You can see this in the form of logic gate also. Take OR gate, supply input as 0, this is my variable, and the complement of variable, that is 1, so 0 plus 1 will give us 1. And here take the OR gate, this time the variable value will be 1 and we will take the complement of 1 in the next input, that is 0, so the output is 1 plus 0, that is 1. This was the rule number 6. Now we will see the rule number 7, which says a into a is equal to a. That is, variable ANDed with itself is always equal to that variable. So if my variable is 0 and I am going to AND it with itself, that is 0 into 0, then I am going to get the same variable, that is 0 into 0 is 0. And if my variable is 1 and I am going to AND it with itself, that is 1 into 1, so I am going to get the same variable, that is 1. In terms of logic gate, take AND gate, supply the inputs, the variable is 0 and we are ANDing it with itself, so here also the value will be 0, 0 into 0 is 0. In the next case, take variable as 1, AND it with itself, that is 1 on this input also, so the output is 1 into 1, that is 1. This is the rule 7 of the logic gate. Now we will see the rule number 8. The rule 8 says a into a bar is equal to 0. The variable ANDed with its complement is equal to 0. take AND gate. The variable is 1 and we are ANDing it with its complement, so the complement of 1 is 0. Then I am going to get the output as 1 into 0 is 0. In the next case, take AND gate again. This time take the variable to be 0. The complement of 0 is 1, and so here the output is 0 into 1, that is 0. The rule number 9 of logic gate. Rule number 9 says A is equal to A double bar. This is also the double negation law. If you take the complement of a variable twice, then it will be equal to the original variable. For this we are going to need a NOT gate. Take the variable value to be 0. The NOT gate will act as inverter and it gives the complement of input, so I am going to get 1. Again we have to take the double complement in this case, since A double bar is written. So here I am going to get the double complement, so 1 complement is 0 and my output is going to be 0. So A is equal to A double bar. Again we will take a NOT gate, but this time the variable will be 1. Here I am going to get the complement of the input, so it will be 0. We will pass it again through the NOT gate, and this time the complement of 0 will give us 1. Again you can see A double bar is equal to A. This was rule number 9 of logic gate. The rule 10 says A plus AB is equal to A. And in order to prove this rule, we require rule number 2, rule number 4. Both of these rules are required in order to prove this rule. So take A plus AB, and this can be written as A into 1 plus B. We have simply taken A outside. So A into 1. Since we studied that 1 plus A is equal to 1, and here I am having 1 plus B, so this can also be written as 1 plus B to be equal to 1. This is rule number 2. See, A plus 1 is equal to 1. So here we took 1 plus B to be equal to 1. And then by rule number 4, which says A into 1 is equal to A, we have the result as A. In this way, this rule is verified. Take a look at rule number 4, which says A into 1 is equal to A. And we can also prove this rule using truth table, that is, take A, B, product of AB, and then A plus AB. Values of A is 0, 0, 1, 1. For B, 0, 1, 0, 1. Take the product of 2, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Now A plus AB. Add both these columns. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 1. As you can see, we are getting this column and this column to be equal. Now we will see the rule number 11. And this rule says that A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. And we need to prove that both the sides of the expression are equal. In order to prove this expression, we are going to use rule number 4, rule number 6, rule number 7, rule number 8, and rule number 10. Okay, so let's begin with one side of the expression, that is A plus A bar B. This can be written as A plus AB plus A bar B. Since rule number 10 says that A is equal to A plus AB, and that's why we have written this term A plus AB in place of A. Moving ahead, A can be written as A into A plus AB plus A bar B. since rule number 7 says that A into A is equal to A. So A into A is nothing but A. Then we can write A into A plus A into B plus A into A bar plus A bar B. Now this is the extra term that we are adding, and the rule number 8 says that the value of A into A bar is equal to 0. So this will not affect our expression since the value is 0. We will do the factoring. So A plus A bar into A plus B. A plus A bar is equal to 1 by rule number 6. And we will be left with this bracket, that is A plus B. Then we have rule number 4, which says A into 1 is equal to A. 1 into A plus B is equal to A plus B. In this way we have proved that A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. Now the same expression can also be proved very easily using truth table. Take inputs as A and B, take complement of A bar, then A bar B, and A plus A bar B, and here A plus B. Both the side of the expression are taken in the last two columns of the truth table. If the values turns out to be same, then we can say the expression is verified. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, complement of A is 1 1 0 0, A bar into B, product of both these columns. So 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Then A plus A bar B, this column and this column we need to add. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Then A plus B, take sum of both the inputs. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Both the values are equal and thus the law is verified. Now we are going to see the last rule, which is rule number 12. A plus B into A plus C is equal to A plus B into C. And this rule is proved using rule number 2, rule number 4 and rule number 7. So let's take one side of the expression and prove it first. So A plus B into A plus C. This can be written as A into A plus A into C plus A into B plus B into C. By open the bracket. Then we have A into A as A by rule number 7, which says A into A is equal to A. The remaining term will be as it is. Then we will write A into 1 plus C. In this expression we have taken A common, so we were left with 1 plus C plus AB plus BC. Okay. And then by rule 2 we have 1 plus A to be equal to 1. So 1 plus C will also be equal to 1. So we are left with A into 1 plus AB plus BC. We will again take A common. So we are left with 1 plus B. And this term as it is, that is BC. Now rule 2 says 1 plus A is equal to 1. So 1 plus B will also be equal to 1. So again A into 1 plus B into C. Now we have the rule which says A into 1 is equal to A. So A into 1 is A plus B into C. So as you can see, the expression is verified, that is A plus B into A plus C is equal to A plus B into C. Now this expression can also be proved using truth table. The method of truth table is always easier than this method. So we will take the inputs A, B and C. So the values for 3 variable will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 and 2 times 0, then 1 times 0 and 1 times 1, 0 1. We will take a plus b, a plus c, b into c, a plus b into c, then a plus b into a plus c. First a plus b, so sum of both the inputs, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1. Then a and c, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Then we will take the product of b and c. So 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Then a plus bc, this column and here this column. Just need to take care of the columns, otherwise we will end up making mistakes. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. Then we will take a plus b into a plus c. Here I am having a plus b and here is a plus c. So the product of these two columns, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 and 1 into 1 1. So as you can see, again the last two columns are showing same value, and thus we can say that a plus b into a plus c is equal to a plus b into c. In this way the rule number 12 is proved. So this was all about this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope the concepts were clear. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.